So I'm going to pick the maximum number of these given numbers, that is 80, and check whether 80 is exactly divisible by all these given numbers or not. So 80 is divisible by 10, yes. It is divisible by 20 also, and 40 times 2 is also 80. 80 comes in the table of 80 itself, means that 80 is the LCM. So now we have to find the LCM of these given numbers, that I have to pick the maximum number is 80 and check whether this 80 is exactly divisible by these given numbers or not. So 80 is divisible by 5, then 10 also, 20 also, and 40 also, and 80 itself, that's obvious. So it means that the LCM of these numbers is 80. So now we have set of numbers that are 2, 3, 5, and 7. So now, since these all numbers are the prime numbers says that they come in the table of itself and one only. So to find the LCM of these prime numbers, just multiply these numbers with each other, that is your LCM, 210. So whenever you get the set of prime numbers, the LCM will be just the multiplication of these numbers. So again, we have another set of numbers, that is 3, 5, 7, and 11. All these are the prime numbers. So let's see what's going to be the LCM of these. So just multiply these prime numbers with each other, and that's going to be your answer. So 1155 is the LCM of 3, 5, 7, and 11. So to find the LCM of 3, 4, 6, 8, what am I going to do? I'm just going to check for the maximum number, that is 8, and see whether this 8 is divisible by 3, 4, or 6 exactly or not. So 8 is not exactly divisible by 3. So what I can conclude here is that 8 is certainly not the LCM for these 4 numbers. So the next step is to find the greater multiple that is exactly divisible by rest of the given numbers. So I want to find the next greater multiple of 8. Okay. So 8's next multiple is 16. Just check whether it is exactly divisible by 3, 4, or 6. It's not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4 and not with 6. So the next number that I have is 24. Just check the 3, 4, 6, and 8 I have. So 24 is exactly divisible by 3, 24 is exactly divisible by 4, 24 is exactly divisible by 6 also, and with 8 also. So it means that LCM of 3, 4, 6, 8 is just 24.